$50 versus $300. Can you tell the difference? Can your ears tell which is which? Can your fingers tell which is which? All right, round one. Feel. Type the same sentence on both. Does one feel mushier under your fingers or more snappy and responsive? Round two. Sound. Record them and really listen. Listen for tight clacks. Listen for crisp clacks. Those clues point to better switches or better stabilizers. Round three. Build. Round three. Extras. Hot swappable switches add versatility. PBT keycaps feel and look premium. Wired options and extras add cost. My guess? The $300 keyboard is springy under your fingers. Consistent typing feel throughout. Quieter overall sound profile. Shocked?